I am going to show you exactly how this creator, and this creator were able to blow up their personal brand literally overnight, and as an extension of that, they were able to build a multi-million and even billion-dollar business within a very short span of time. But firstly, why am I showing you this, and why the fuck is nobody talking about this system? Because nobody else is going to talk about this underground system, and I'm very confused why nobody's talking about it. I've been looking for videos about it when I was trying to implement this system myself, and after I couldn't find any videos, I was able to successfully replicate this for myself and get the exact same results. So that's why I'm making a video, to show you guys. I'm sick of not seeing it, and there's no competition, so why not make a video about it just for you guys to watch? The system that we're going to be talking about today, if you guys are familiar with Iman Gadzhi or Andrew Tate or any of the people that I showed you before, this is the exact same system they used to ingrain their name in every single platform possible, and they grew a multi-million dollar business using clip curation teams, which for some reason, there's only about 2 or 3 agencies at scale doing this, and there is nobody talking about this on the internet or how to do this. I've implemented it myself. I've been making content for over 12 years. I've worked for different platforms such as Meta, Musical.ly, Vine, Google, doing data analysis and even implementing marketing campaigns and several other back-end pieces, as well as I've been doing this for over a decade. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it and the tools that you need in order to implement the system. So step 1, let's actually understand exactly what this opportunity is and how does the clip curation system work. In short, clip curation, you are taking the clips that you already have or new clips that you're making, and what you're going to have is a team of 10 to 20 and even 50 people. It depends on how far you want to take this, and you can have them have as many accounts as they want. But to keep things simple, let's look at it this way. If you have 10 people that are running 3 pages, you're going to have 30 accounts putting out 2 videos per day. That's 60 pieces of content per day without flagging the algorithm for spam, without you having to post 60 times a day, without you having to schedule, without you having to do anything. So instead of posting 1 to 2 pieces of content, which is highly recommended on each platform, but is still exhausting, now you can have 60 people do this, which is sick in my opinion. So in short, you're going to build a team or an army of people who are going to be reposting clips for you. Or if you're looking to take this and make this a business model and offer this to influencers and different people who are trying to scale their brands, you can also do that. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can implement the system for yourself and your personal brand. If you have 10 people commenting on your videos every single day, you probably already have a couple of people who are dedicated. And if you reach out to them, or if you post on your story and you say, hey, who wants to make an extra $100 to $1,000 or a couple $1,000 depending on the size of your brand, they will most likely be interested. And I've already put this to the test with my brand and several of my students in the Aesthetic Academy. So this is a proven system, and I'm excited to show you guys exactly how this works. So the very first thing I need you to do is let's go ahead and go over to WAP. If you don't have the application already, I would highly recommend getting it on your phone. But as you guys can see, I already have everything set up for mine. So we're going to go ahead and do sign up for WAP. You're going to want to go online to be able to manage your dashboard. You guys are going to want to go ahead and download the app on your phone, as well as you're going to want to log in and create an account on the actual website. So we're going to go ahead and come over here. As you guys can see, I'm already using WAP. What you're going to want to do though is we're going to go ahead and sign out right here. So you're going to go up, you're going to click sign up for this. You're going to want to continue with either a create account or you're going to continue with a Apple account. They have so many different sign-in options. They made this stupidly easy for you guys, so it's almost impossible for you to fail, which is honestly really sick. Once you've already logged in and you have things set up, and one thing that I really want to emphasize for you guys is please don't be like the rest of these losers who get online. They think that they can just create any old product, they can go copy and paste a course or do what everybody else is doing. We talk about this within the mentorship. We talk about this within the course. If you are better than the average person, 30% better than the average person at something, you can create a product around it. So after you've downloaded WAP and after you've logged in and you've had everything set up, I want you guys to make sure that you create, or if you already have a product you want to sell, coaching services, you want to educate people, you want to do tutorials on, something specific. It is actually insane how many different things they have on this website. They have internet money, they have content academy, how to make content, they have fucking how to do sailing. There's so many different things. But when it comes to this, I want you guys to really focus on the fact of do not make a shitty product. There's already so many bad courses, so many bad agencies in SMMA. Do not continue to put shit content on the internet. You will ruin your personal brand doing this. Your name is associated with whatever you put out. So if you try to do something for a money grab, if you don't put time into it, if you don't actually think that it's going to be valuable to anybody, why the fuck would you want that associated with your name? So firstly, when you guys are creating a product or a service or whatever the case may be, please put some thought into it. Make it something that you are actually qualified to teach and something that you are confident and love teaching in the first place. So make sure that you're doing this the right way. But once we're in WAP, let's go ahead and look at how the affiliate system is actually going to play out for you. So you can set this up in several different ways, but the easiest way to go about this is find 20 people that want to make an extra $100 to $1,000. Post this on your story, run ads for this, ask people that are on your email list, whatever the case may be. Find 10 to 20 people that want to do this, create the affiliate links for them, and actually create the different pages, or create the actual guide for people to know what to do with your content and what the goal of creating sub accounts is. Once you guys are in WAP, once you have everything set up, you go over to your product. Once we are in the product section, you got your course set up, everything looks good, you're happy with it, you're good to go. Make sure that you have a nice product, make sure that you have a community set up, because the community will actually come in handy later. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go over to dashboard. Once you get into your dashboard, we're gonna go down to marketing. You're going to go to affiliates. I have somebody set up for this specific process on this account because this is for a new one. You're going to be able to invite people via their email. So you can invite affiliates. You can invite them with whatever email you want to continue with. Whatever percentage of your product you're going to do, go ahead and put it in here. Make it a fixed rate, recurring payments, and then make sure that you select your product. Once you've invited people, let's just go ahead and just do an example of an invite now. So we're going to go ahead. You're going to put this in here. You're going to put $10 in here because we're going to make it $10 because that's going to be about 25. This could be 20%. You can make it 20. You can make it 30%. Make it an amount that is worth doing for the amount of work that you're having people do, by the way. And you have a more expensive product, like we have a $1,400 product, probability of somebody buying a $1,400 one-on-one coaching packet off of a sub account that they saw a reel or a TikTok is very unlikely, but it is possible. But the higher end of the product is $120, whatever the case may be. You know, people will get paid more for that. But once you have that, you have all of your info in here. You go ahead, you save it, and whatever users you already have within the WAP course, you can invite them to the affiliate program. You can give them codes to get in for free or whatnot. It really depends, because depending on the kind of people that you have in your course and the people that you have active, or if this is a brand new course, you can give people referral links to get in for free to kickstart this process. So once you have your affiliate links and everything set up and you have everybody in here, the next step would be to make sure that you have all of your clips, all of your content, everything that you want redistributed across the internet that is going to be available to these guys. Make sure that it is in an easy place that everybody can access, whether it's Notion templates, whether it's you upload it to WAP, whether it's, you know, you're going into Google Drive. I prefer Google Drive. So we're going to go over here within Google Drive. You know, I have all of my B-roll. We have tons and tons of different clips when it comes to B-roll. We have lifestyle B-roll, you know, different cars, different cinematic shit. Make sure that all of the content is accessible and easy. So I already made this graph over here for different people that I'm going through. Once you already have people in the WAP, you have them join the affiliate system. You make sure that you give them the content. You give them the affiliate code that they can put in the bio, as well as make sure that you put together a very good guide so that people know exactly what to do with the content that you are showing them. So like I said, this is to make sure that people know exactly what to do with the content that you're giving them. If they've never done social media before and they're doing this to make extra money, then make sure it's very detailed. Make sure they know how to set up accounts, put links in accounts. I'm going to show you what my guide is called so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. This guide is how to get started step by step for dummies. It has literally every single step that you need, from setting up the account, adding usernames, profile pictures, every single thing you need. You have content calendars to make sure that people post at the right time. Whatever the case may be, make this as easy as possible for them to follow, because the better that the accounts perform, the better that their videos do, the better that the content that they're pushing out does, the more likely it is that somebody's going to find that link, find your content good, find the product to be good. Word of mouth travels much faster than you think, and by extension, if their account does well, people will come to your account. You'll get more follows. You'll get more people within your course. You'll get more people buying your products and getting your free assets. You'll build your email list. By extension of having these sub accounts, you're going to be able to grow rapidly. And this is exactly how Iman Gadzhi and all of the other super massive mega creators have been able to take over the internet in seamlessly overnight. They have been working tirelessly. They have clips, they have content, they have plenty of content for distribution, and then they have an army of clippers and people who can now redistribute that content. They make money. They learn how social media works and building a brand works, and now not only are they making money and helping you grow, they have now learned a new skill that they can take to go make money and build their own brand. It's truly a win-win for everybody. So I know that we didn't go over this diagram in the beginning, but you have a team of 20 clippers. They're going to curate this content. They're going to post it across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. They're going to upload it from the Google Drive for the WAP. They're going to upload all of the account to sub accounts using the affiliate link. The accounts just like this, the official account. This is one of the ones that was created for me a little bit ago. My buddy just created this not even a couple of days ago. He hasn't put the link up in there yet, but on Instagram, you can add the link immediately. On YouTube, you can add the link immediately. On TikTok, I believe that you just need a certain amount. Redistributing your face and redirecting people on TikTok to the main account is extremely important for growth, for metadata, and implanting yourself into the algorithm in general. Each and every person will get paid from every single purchase and every single link click for the affiliate program. Every single person wins, and then everything goes right back into the pages and everybody gets paid. You get paid, they get paid, everybody gets paid, and you get to grow your brand at an absolutely unprecedented rate that nobody has been able to see in history before. And if we're being completely honest, this is how entrepreneurs are doing it. This is how brand owners are doing it. This is how politicians are doing it. Everybody that wants to grow rapidly is using this system, and this is something that you can take advantage of for your own personal brand, or if you are young and you want to create a business model that requires you managing a team of clip curators, this is the best way to go about it, and you take a percentage of everything. For managing the team, for finding them, you can go to different people on the Creator Hub on the actual platform that is WAP. Go to each one of them and tell them that you can do and implement this exact system, and I am sure that they'd be more than happy for you to drive traffic to them. You can do this on a commission basis or a paid upfront to install. It's really up to you on how you want to actually design this. Now, you want to make sure that you make this streamlined. You want to make sure that you optimize this for efficiency so that you can actually keep track of everybody that's doing this. Best way that I've found to do this, go ahead, make sure that you create a Discord, whether you're a brand owner or whether you're a business owner or whether you're one of the people that wants to start this business model. Create an area that everybody can get together, like I have in here. We go in here. There is the Aesthetic Affiliate Academy, which is something that you want to make sure that if you are interested in doing this and you're not so much interested in running the business yourself, you can go ahead, you can do this. You can join the Aesthetic Affiliate Academy, and you can join the free Discord where we do Q&A calls free every single Friday to answer all of your questions and audit your accounts, as well as you can get more information on how to sign up for my specific program and get paid. But with all that being said, create a hub, a Discord, or a place. You can even do it on WAP. Discord and WAP are very highly interconnected. So once you've done that, make sure that you put all the links and information and rules for it in there, any assets or free things that people are going to need to be successful on this journey. Make sure you make this streamlined, whether it's making a graph like I did, whether you're making a PDF, whatever is going to keep you most organized and whatever your use case for this system is going to be. Make sure you optimize it and make sure you make this beneficial for everybody. Even if you want to take this a step further and do weekly calls, check-ins, you're going to want to create a Discord or a community for all of the different people on your team. You guys need to remember, you're building a team of guys that are going to be doing this together. They can trade different secrets. They can help each other out when you're not available. They can tell each other what's working for one another. And it's all the same content for the same person, for the same creator. Everybody is working together as a collaborative team. This is how you build a very literal social media empire army. So put these guys together, do calls with them, collaborate with them. These are now your team members, and these are not just people. These are not just random people with sub accounts. These are your members. These are the people you work with. These are your cohorts. So treat them with one. They are not just random athletes from some clothing brand. These are guys that you are working with to build an empire. So guys, remember, clip curation is not just for big creators and businesses. This is for literally anybody who wants to scale their brand at a rapid pace, or for business owners, whether you're small or big. If you're small and want to scale very, very quickly, this is an excellent way to do it. And if you're already big and you want to push a product, or if you want to become a millionaire, or whatever your goal may be, this is an excellent way to absolutely dominate the internet, especially coming up on the holiday season when everybody's going to be on their phone. So I highly encourage you guys to join the free Discord, join some Q&A calls if you guys want information on how to start your personal brand, or if you're interested in the affiliate system, I'd be more than happy to give you guys more information on how exactly that works. But if you are not a creator, but you would be interested in managing these teams of people and putting it together, make sure that you watch this video right here so you can learn exactly step by step how you can become a business owner and manage these clip curation teams. I'm going to be making one especially for you if you're not looking to be a brand owner and you're looking to put this system in place for you, your team, and your business. But if you're still lost or you're looking for tutorials on how to start your brand, how to get started on social media, whatever the case may be, like I said, the Discord is completely free. We have presets, assets, calendars, free guides, free calls every single week. I highly recommend joining if you haven't already. Go ahead, the link is in the description below. But until the next video, I recommend that you guys get 1% better every single day, and I will see you guys in the next one.